Hello everyone, welcome to our new video where today we are going to check out the top 5 best DSLR cameras in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these cameras, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Nikon D3400. The Nikon D3400 is a spectacular entry-level DSLR camera that packs everything that grants a quality photo and video recording. That's why, let's get quickly into action and find out what's so special about it. From a design perspective, the Nikon D3400 is available in black and red color, but both of them look elegant and share the same specs, so you can choose the color that suits you the best. The black model, which we are currently reviewing, as you've expected, is mostly covered with black, but where it differs is the red accent on the grip. The controls are positioned at the top right, and also at the back, which surrounds the 3-inch screen on both sides. Moving on, slightly above the screen, there is an optical viewfinder that will let you have a glare-free view of every object you intend to capture. But now, let's talk about the performance. The D3400 is equipped with a 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor, EXPEED4 image processor, and has an ISO range that stretches from 100 to 25,600, which means that regardless the surrounding, you can capture fast-moving objects in dim-lit and bright conditions. These specs are spectacular for the price, and maybe that's the reason why it is constantly being purchased by beginners and intermediaries. I'd also want to mention that this camera allows a continuous shooting of 5 FPS and will let you record videos in full HD or HD for your ultimate experience. The sound of the videos will be well defined due to the integrated mic that has an adjustable sensitivity. If you've been asking yourself what are the Nikon's lens, well, they are Nikkor, and what's so special about them is that they use a stepping motor that will ensure quiet autofocusing. In terms of connectivities, I'd want to inform you that this camera is only Bluetooth enabled, so you can download the SnapBridge app and use it for photo transferring and more. To conclude, if you're looking for an affordable DSLR camera that performs like a premium one, then the Nikon D3400 would be a great option. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Pentax K70. The Pentax K70 is one of the most sold DSLR cameras in the market, due to its exceptional quality and price that is affordable for a wide variety of users. From a design perspective, the Pentax K70 features a dust-proof and weather-resistant body, that packs a vari-angle LCD monitor, that can be rotated to the front and flipped upward and downwards for convenient usage. Above the monitor, there is an optical viewfinder, while on the top and on the right, there are buttons for accessing the menus, deleting photos, zooming, capturing photos and more. At the front, there is a 24-megapixel, APS-C filter-less CMOS image sensor, with 18 to 55 mm WR lens that will ensure quality photo and video captures like you've never tasted before. Now, let's talk about the features. The K70 has an impressive ISO range from 100 to 204,800, while its continuous shooting rate is up to 6 FPS, so there can't be anything that could miss. Take in mind that the 6 FPS is great for the price you pay, so I think that you're gonna be very satisfied. Moreover, this camera is capable enough to record full HD 1080p videos, so I have to admit that Pentax has done a great job in creating a versatile camera. I'd also want to inform you that this camera has a built-in Wi-Fi that will significantly ease the transfer of all of your videos and images. That's why, you can download the Image Sync app, which is compatible with every Android or iOS device, and take an advantage of it without hesitation. Another great thing about this camera is its prime image engine that reduces the image noise to the minimum, so everything you've recorded will look as realistic as possible. Moving on, this model sports 11-point autofocus system as well, so it does lock onto subjects extraordinarily quick. This is mainly because of the 9 cross-type sensors that are positioned in the middle, with the intention to ensure that nothing could be missed. Overall, the Pentax K70 is a top choice for everyone who is looking for a quality camera that has a reasonable price tag. Moving on, at number 3 we have the Canon EOS REBEL T7i. The Canon EOS REBEL T7i is a 24-megapixel camera that is designed for entry-level users who would like to start capturing quality photos and videos, in order to improve and transform their hobby into a profession. From a design perspective, the T7i features compact, all-in-black body that is accompanied by a 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD positioned at the back, an optical viewfinder that is placed above the screen, and controls placed around the top and back sides. In addition, there is also an external mic jack, a single card slot that supports SD, SDHC and SDXC cards, and a pop-up flash. This model comes with 18 to 55mm lens kit, but if you seek more, then this same model is available with 18 to 135mm lens, but the price is higher. The 18 to 55mm ones are great for its price, so I think that you will be fine. But now, let's talk about the performance. This camera is Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth enabled, which I really like due to the fact that you will be equipped with versatile options when you'd like to upload your photos directly to the web. Moreover, the Rebel also has a DIGIC7 image processor which will ensure that you can capture lifelike photos with a continuous shooting speed of 6 frames per second in both bright and dark surroundings, so you can instantly recognize its potential from your very first shot. Another thing that plays a huge role in the camera's ability to capture quality photos in low light with minimal blur, and that's its ISO range of up to 25,600, which offers great value for the price you pay. I'd also want to inform you that this camera includes dozens of creative filters and modes that will surely enrich your shooting experience, however, we will only name some of them. The most notable is the HDR movie mode that will enhance the colors in the videos you record, and for pictures, there are some filters like art bold, water painting, fisheye effect and more. To conclude, the Rebel is worthy of considering, so if you want to invest in a product that justifies its price tag, then this is the one for you. At number 2, we have the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II is a high-end DSLR camera that is built like a tank with dozens of features and components that will guarantee a quality image and video shooting sessions. From a design perspective, the Mark II features a dust and water-resistant body that is made of an aluminum alloy and polycarbonate resin, which makes it lightweight and durable at the same time. At the back, there is a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen that supports 2-finger gestures, so you can zoom and change images without any problem. The screen packs up to 1.04 million dots, which means that the reflections would never frustrate you, so the screen will remain vivid and highly viewable. In addition, there is also an optical viewfinder that minimizes the reflections as well, which means that nothing could stop you from getting a picture exactly as you'd like. For your information, the viewfinder features a 45-point all-cross Type AF system, so you can see what does the lens see, which is crazy, right? The controls, like with many cameras, are located at the top and at the rear, so you can easily access them and do various adjustments. Now, let's talk about the features. The Mark II has a built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, which really cool because you can tag your friends on the pictures you've taken, adjust the time and timestamp on the camera and much more with a single tap. This particular model comes equipped with 24 to 105mm USM lens and has a DIGIC7 image processor that will maximize the quality to a whole new level of any picture or video you've taken. Or to be more precise, regardless if you shoot in dark or bright surroundings, the quality will never be interfered by anything. I'd also want to mention that this camera has a wide ISO range that stretches from 100 to 40,000 points, which are awesome in my opinion, since your content would be crystal clear. Overall, the Canon EOS Mark II is a must-have for every professional user who is looking for a top-end camera that will leave you speechless due to its performance. To finish up, at number 1 we have the Nikon D850. The Nikon D850 is an exceptionally powerful DSLR camera that has a higher price tag due to the fact that it offers a colossal 45.7 megapixel resolution, 4K Ultra HD video recording and slow motion to up to 120 FPS at 1080p. From a design perspective, the D850 comes in a sleek black body that was built by using a magnesium alloy, and carbon fiber materials that make it resistant to dust and water, so if you find yourself into extreme environments, then you shouldn't worry about anything. In addition, the body holds a tilting touch LCD, dual instead of a single memory card, so you would never be limited in terms of storage, and illuminated buttons that will increase your intuitive experience to a whole new level. Let's not forget that on the left, you can find a 3.5mm headphone and mic slot, a micro USB 3.0, and a mini HDMI, which means that you will be well equipped with everything. Above the screen, there is a 0.75x large optical viewfinder that uses a 153-point AF system to ensure that the camera will effectively lock to any subject regardless if it is moving or not. Before we move to the next section, I'd like you to know that this model that we are currently reviewing has 24 to 120mm lens, but you're not limited since you can choose another lens as well. But now, let's talk about the performance. This camera has a native continuous shooting speed of 7 fps, while the maximum is up to 9 at full resolution with a full AF performance. For your convenient photo transfer, this camera is Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and NFC enabled, but do not hesitate to download the SnapBridge app, which is compatible with Android and iOS, if you want to make your things done quickly. A really interesting thing about this camera is that if you want to edit a time-lapse yourself for example, then the resolution would be in 4K with 25, 24 and 30 fps playback options, which is great. To conclude, the Nikon D850 is a must for every professional who wants to pursue deeper with its career, so if you ever decide to purchase it, the camera will ensure long years of usage. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to them, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.